Hello guys, welcome on program overview video of oven in cooking stove Gorenje. So the first one is a fast heating function. The next one is upper and bottom heater. This one is a heater in the top wall. This is in the bottom wall. The two next is a heater in top and bottom wall with fan. This is a grill function. There we have a pizza function. There we have a function for frozen meals. And this is a baking frozen food. And next one is defrosting. This function is a aqua clean. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.